Did you know your home Wi-Fi could be wide open to intruders if your security is weak? If your settings are outdated, you're basically handing out keys to your digital life. Anyone nearby, a neighbor, a hacker, or even a random passerby, could spy on your online activity. They could see your passwords, private messages, and even your financial details. This isn't just a privacy issue, it's a real security threat. Most people don't think about their Wi-Fi signal, they just want it to work. But that signal is a two-way street, sending and receiving your personal data. Without strong security, it's like shouting your secrets in public. Anyone with basic tools can listen in. Imagine paying your credit card bill online. Someone outside could capture every keystroke if your Wi-Fi isn't secure. Your emails, photos, and social media logins are all at risk. The good news? Securing your Wi-Fi is easier than you think. You don't need to be a tech expert, just check one setting in your router. It's a 5-minute fix that can save you years of trouble. This guide will show you how to build that digital fence. You have the power to keep intruders out. Let's get started. What is Wi-Fi encryption? It's a secret code that scrambles your internet activity. Your router and devices agree on this code, turning your data into unreadable gibberish. Only devices with the right password can decode it. Without encryption, your Wi-Fi is an open book. Anyone nearby can read your data. Encryption locks your information in a digital safe. Think of it like sending a package in a locked briefcase instead of a clear box. Even if someone grabs the briefcase, they can't open it without the key. Encryption protects every device on your network, from laptops to smart speakers. It creates a secure tunnel for your data. But not all encryption is equal. Some codes are easy to crack, others are nearly unbreakable. Your job is to pick the strongest one. Let's see how. When you check your router's settings, you'll see options like WEP, WPA, WPA2, and WPA3. Think of these as different locks. WEP is a flimsy latch, WPA2 is a sturdy deadbolt, and WPA3 is a high-tech vault. WEP is the oldest and weakest. Never use it. WPA was better, but it's now outdated. WPA2 has been the standard for years and is still secure for most homes. WPA3 is the newest and strongest. Always use the highest security your devices support. For most people, that's WPA2. If you have newer gear, choose WPA3. Using old protocols is like relying on a car from the 70s for safety. In the next sections, we'll break down each protocol so you know exactly what to choose. This knowledge is your first line of defense. WEP, or Wired Equivalent Privacy, is ancient and completely broken. Using WEP is like locking your door with tape. Anyone can get in. Hackers can crack WEP in minutes with free software. Once inside, they can steal your data or use your internet for illegal activity. WEP still exists only for very old devices, but using it puts your whole network at risk. If you have a device that needs WEP, it's time to retire it. If your router is set to WEP, change it immediately. This isn't a suggestion, it's urgent. There's no safe reason to use WEP in 2025. Switch to WPA2 or WPA3 right away. If your router doesn't support them, replace it. After WEP failed, WPA was introduced as a quick fix. It was better, but not good enough for today's threats. The real hero has been WPA2 using strong AES encryption, the same standard used by the US government. Breaking WPA2 with a strong password would take supercomputers billions of years. In your router, look for WPA2 PSK, AES, that's what you want. Avoid options like WPA2 PSK, TKIP, which are less secure. For most people, WPA2 AES is the best choice right now. It's strong, reliable, and works with almost all devices from the last decade. WPA2 isn't perfect. There was a vulnerability called crack, but patches fixed it. Still, WPA2 is safe for home use with a strong password. But if you want the best, look for WPA3. That's the new gold standard. WPA3 is the latest and most secure Wi-Fi protocol. If your router and devices support it, use it. WPA3 protects you, even if your password is weak, blocking hackers from guessing passwords offline. It uses simultaneous authentication of equals to make attacks much harder. Another big win forward secrecy. Even if someone gets your password later, they can't decrypt old data. Each session is uniquely encrypted, protecting your privacy long term. Most new routers and devices since 2020 support WPA3. If you see WPA2/WPA3 mixed mode, use it for compatibility. If all your devices are new, select WPA3 Personal for maximum security. Upgrading to WPA3 is the best way to future-proof your network. Don't wait, make the switch if you can. Your digital life deserves the best protection. Ready to secure your Wi-Fi? Here's how. Log into your router's admin panel, usually by typing its IP address into your browser. Find the default login info on a sticker on your router. Once inside, look for wireless or security settings. Find the security mode or encryption dropdown. Choose the highest option WPA3 if available, otherwise, WPA2 PSK AES. Avoid WEP and WPA. Click Save or Apply. If your router only offers WEP or WPA, it's time for a new one. Modern routers with WPA3 are affordable and essential for your safety. Think of it as upgrading your home's locks. This simple change protects your data, privacy, and family. Go check your settings now. Lock your digital door for good.